Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings and go to Apps. Look for recently installed or high-usage apps that coincide with the ads. Once found, tap and force stop. Then revoke notifications and launcher or default home permissions so they can't inject content. If an app looks suspicious, uninstall it now. If you can't uninstall, disable or clear defaults to remove its hold. These steps stop the ad source fast and prepare the device for deeper checks. Next, dig into special permissions. Open Special Access and remove Draw over other apps rights from any non-essential app. Ads often use that to display on the home screen. Check Device Admin, revoke admin rights from dubious apps before uninstalling. Then go to Google or System Ad Settings and opt out of ad personalization. Reset the ad's ID. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if ads disappear. If they do, you've isolated the offending app and can remove it safely. Finish by cleaning the launcher, clear cache and data, or install a trusted launcher app and set it as default to replace the compromised one. If ads persist, enable private DNS or configure a privacy-focused DNS service to block ad domains at the network level. For stubborn cases, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep-rooted modifications. Troubleshooting tip: if ads still appear, boot into safe mode and uninstall apps added since the problem began.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.